Hello, today I'm celebrating. It's the release of Grow Food for Free by Huw Richards. This is Huw's second book and I'm really delighted for him. I'm Zorab and this is Byther Farm. Many of you may know Huw and I have become good friends over the last couple of years. But that as may be, I thought I'd have a really good look at this book and see just how useful it is. This book feels like Huw has really come into his own. It's full of very lovely full colour photographs demonstrating what he's talking about. It starts quite sensibly with a look at how to set up your growing space and how to do that for zero cost, using all sorts of materials that are sourced for free, and he tells you how to source them. Things like using recycled materials, anything from cardboard boxes to tyres, pallet wood, pallet collars, all sorts of things. Huw suggests how to build some raised beds and how to create new growing spaces in your garden. And he looks at some growing methods and explains his approach using permaculture. The book has a section on growing perennials and on annuals, explains how to get seeds for free and also how to propagate some of those perennial plants too. There's explanations of how to make compost bins and how to make compost, and also how to use other plants around your garden to create feed for your soil. And the part that I like the most is at the back of the book, and it's Huw's journal, where he's actually gone through a whole year of growing food for free, and he journals week by week entries explaining what's going on in his garden and what he's done to keep that free food going for a whole year. The book is available today, that's the 27th of February in the UK. And I think the American version is available from next week, from the 2nd of March. There's a link in the information below if you want to order this, but it's also available, as they used to say, in all good bookshops. Well, this looks like we hate each other, doesn't it? That's all right.
There you go.
Thank you.